Here's interesting app called Ulysses. Ulysses writing app is your one-stop writing environment for Mac, iPhone, and iPad. It's pleasant, focused writing experience combined with effective document management, seamless sync, flexible export, and then they just make this app the first choice for writers of all kinds. This an old app is back from 2016. All the text all the time, proofreader, editing assistant, create a price, so let's just go through it. And here you can just see that this is kind of like advanced notes app for writers. And then you can just also publish to your blog and all of that. So kind of like mobile publishing experience. So if you like writing actually on your phone, maybe you can just do that. So you can just see the plans. You can try it for 7 days, then $39.99 per year. And then learning Ulysses. So for example, here is how you can see how it looks like. It's kind of similar design to the Notes app, so you can see some ideas. Or you can select flexible plan, $5.99 per month, whole year plan, $39.99 Ulysses for students. So you can also choose that. But seems I can't even create a new note without upgrading. It's a bit annoying. Okay, so it's only read-only mode. You can add footnotes here. You can add some list images, footnotes, much more. There is some editing syncs. So I would say it's just like advanced version of Notes for writers. If you like writing, or maybe you can also sync it from your Mac app or from the website. I don't know if they have like a Mac app. Also, you can just import here. Seems like that. I actually like this idea of being able to write from your phone. I tried to do that. So I'm using Ghost. So I hosted my blog on the Ghost. So feel free to visit mrhack.io. And I think they also had some kind of mobile app or something like that. And sometimes you just have some idea and you just want to draft something. Of course, you can use just original Apple Notes app for that. But if you're just writing a lot or you're blogging a lot, you can just use separate apps. So you're just completely focused in that app, and so that's basically what you can have here. So that's an idea. Again, activation. You can let's just see subscriptions. What you can expect from here. From notes to articles to blog posts and notes, share, save, export to publish to your blog, all your text on all devices, always, anywhere. And that's what it is. Hope this is helpful.